So a quick unboxing of the DJI Neo 2 with the bundle motion fly mode combo. So firstly the box, which is as always very nice and neat. So you get a list of everything you get in the box over here and just a lot of other info at the back here. Then you get the DJI Neo 2 and this comes with the propeller guards already installed. As you can see, we have the gimbal protector here. And you have the digital transceiver over here, and you can see it looks a bit like a bug, and then one of the batteries already installed. Then you have the battery hub, which has the 2 additional batteries. So as you can see, one is already installed in the drone and the other 2 are here. And you have the port for charging here and then the power button there. And to see how much battery each one has, you could just simply press this button. Then you have the USB Type-C to Type-C cable, some additional propellers, the RC Motion 3, which comes with a lanyard that you can attach over here, so it's easy to move around and just attach to your hand. So you can see all the buttons are well within reach. Some user manuals with a sticker as well as a screwdriver. And last but not least, the DJI goggles N3. It's quite a solid build. You have a lot of cushioning around. This is hard plastic. It looks really premium. And then you've got this thing at the back that tightens according to the size of your head, I guess.